Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to negotiate better prices and deals. Negotiating can be a daunting task for many people, but with a few tips and tricks, you can save money and get the best deals possible. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Do your research. The first step in negotiating better prices and deals is to do your research. This means researching the product or service you want to buy, as well as the market and competitors. You should also know your budget and what you are willing to pay for the item. This knowledge will give you an advantage in negotiations and help you make informed decisions. For example, if you're looking to buy a new car, you should research the make and model you're interested in, as well as the prices at different dealerships. This will give you an idea of what to expect and how much you should be paying. Step 2. Start the conversation. The second step is to start the conversation. Whether you're negotiating in person or online, be polite and respectful. Begin by stating your interest in the product or service and why you want it. Then, ask questions about the price and any possible discounts or promotions. This will open up the negotiation and give you a better idea of what you can expect. For example, if you're negotiating with a seller on an online marketplace, you can start by saying something like, "I'm interested in buying your item, but I was wondering if you would be willing to negotiate on the price. Do you have any discounts or promotions available?" Step 3. Make a counteroffer. The third step is to make a counteroffer. If the price or deal offered is not what you were hoping for, don't be afraid to make a counteroffer. Start with a reasonable price or request and provide reasons why you think it's fair. This will show the other party that you have done your research and are serious about getting a good deal. For example, if you're negotiating the price of a car, you can make a counteroffer by saying something like, "I appreciate your offer, but I was hoping to pay a little less. Based on my research, I think a fair price for this car would be X amount. What do you think?" Step 4. Use the power of silence. The fourth step is to use the power of silence. After you make your counteroffer, remain quiet and let the other party respond. This can be uncomfortable, but it can also work to your advantage. Often, the other party will feel pressured to fill the silence and may offer a better deal or compromise. For example, after making your counteroffer, simply say something like, "I'll wait for your response." Then, remain quiet and wait for the other party to reply. Step 5. Be willing to walk away. The final step is to be willing to walk away. If negotiations are not going well or you are not getting the deal you want, it's important to be prepared to walk away. This shows that you are serious about your budget and are not willing to overspend. In some cases, walking away may even lead to a better deal in the future. For example, if you're negotiating the price of a car and the seller is not willing to budge on their price, you can say something like, "I appreciate your time, but unfortunately, we're not able to come to an agreement. I'll have to look elsewhere." This may prompt the seller to reconsider their price or even reach out to you in the future with a better deal. Conclusion, and that's it for today's video on how to negotiate better prices and deals. Remember to do your research, start the conversation, make a counteroffer, use the power of silence, and be willing to walk away if necessary. By following these tips, you can save money and get the best deals possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.